Okay, can see my textbook? Someone on the mic?
Can see, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you write the today index, solve problem. Today is 8. Okay, look at these questions. This is still a two-dimensional. So afterwards, I will go into three-dimensional questions. Okay, this is why we say, you know, although this is this topic is optional, means that you can choose. It's come out in paper 2, section C. Okay, but new syllabus we are not sure, KSSM, but we guess it's the same. It's still the same. Okay, it will not come out in other section, or it will not come out also in paper 1. Okay, we hope it will still the same thing lah. Okay, for the KSSM, we have to wait until, you know, this year the first batch of KSSM their paper, okay, over, then we only will know lor. Okay, but we guess it's still the same lah. Okay, so you see the section C 4 questions from 4 topics. Normally we'll ask a student to aim for at least 3 topics. Okay, this is why, it's because sometimes, like example, most of the students will choose this solution of triangle. Okay, but the problem is if the solution of triangle they come out the questions that is 3-dimensional questions, sometimes it can be difficult because you don't know which angle they are asking. Okay, for the old syllabus, you learn it in modern maths. You know, the angle in between the line and the plane, and angle in between 2 planes. You all learn in modern maths syllabus, but the new syllabus KSSM suddenly gone, don't know go where already. So after I have to touch a bit. Okay, if not you don't know which angle to look at actually. Okay, when come to the 3-dimensional. Okay, we go through this example first. Okay, this is a shape of a triangle ABC. Okay, APQ, here you have a chili, and remainder part is a cabbage. Okay, APQ, this is a chili. Okay, then here is the cabbage. Okay, given the length AP 50, AQ 60, AB 80, so 80 here, so here 50, here 30 lah, so all labeled in the diagram already. AC 130, or except this one, AC 130, so 130, let's say minus this 60, I still have a balance 70 here. Okay, BC 140. Okay, find the area of a land which will be planted with a cabbage. Okay, the area of the land means this one. They want the area of this. So the big triangle minus the small triangle. Okay, for big triangle. Okay, if you want to use that formula, okay, AB sin C, so you need a angle, but here there's no angle, but I have all the length for the bigger triangle. So I have a 3 length, so I want to find an angle, so I use cos rule. Okay, so you all have to now you have to be very firm already. What kind of information given, and then what you want to find, then which rule you have to use. Okay, so 3 lengths are given, you want to find the angle, so you use cos rule. Okay, okay, so here they don't use cos rule. Okay, they use the Heron's formula, okay, to find the area. Also can, because 3 lengths are given. Okay, so first of all, you find the S, okay, the semi perimeter. Okay, so here is 80, here is 130, and here is 140. Okay, so you find the semi perimeter. Okay, then just use a formula to find the length, the area. Okay, this is another alternative here, 80, 130, and 140. Okay, to find one of the angle. Okay, this is another method. Okay, so if we continue with this Heron formula, Yeah, so I have found this the bigger triangles, the area. So now I need to find the smaller triangle, the area. Okay, the smaller the triangle, the area, I have these two. Okay, the two length. Okay, I don't have this length and I don't have any of the angles. Okay, so how to find? Okay, so no matter how you see, you have to base on this bigger triangle to get the angle. Okay. Or they use this method. Okay, you can use this the cos rule to get one of the angle. Here is the angle A. Okay, you can use this way to get the angle also. Okay, this one is you let whatever you find in the using the Heron formula. Okay, the area. Okay, so let it equal to the another formula, which is a half AB sine C. Okay, here you can find the angle. Okay, so they are using here 80, 130. So same thing, they are finding this angle. Okay, there are two methods. Okay, you can use this way, you can use this way. Okay, then you get the angle already. Okay, the angle A. Okay, after you get the angle A, so here you don't use a Heron's formula already for the smaller triangle, the area. Okay, you have this angle. Okay, and then these two length, and then this one will be the included angle. So you use the formula. Okay, half AB sine C. Okay, for the smaller triangle. Okay, so this is half AB sine C. Okay, then this is a smaller triangle. Okay, then you just use this, the bigger triangle minus the smaller triangle, the area. Okay, then you get the answer. Okay, so this is not that difficult. Okay, so this one you do as your homework. Okay, this one you hold on. Okay, this one don't do yet. Okay, we look at this. Okay, look at this example. This is still not three-dimensional yet. Okay, although this is a garage, but how to say, this is view from a side, so it's still a two-dimensional. Okay, you see or not? This is a sketch of the front view. Okay, front view. Sorry, not the side view. It's front view. Okay, so it's still two-dimensional. Okay, so you see, he found out that the wood on one part of the roof is longer than the wood on the other part of roof. Okay, this is the roof. Okay, so this one is longer than this one. Okay, so this is what he trying to say. Okay, then calculate the length of wood on the longer part of the roof. This one, so they are asking for this. They are asking for this. This one, they are asking for this. Okay, this one is the longer one. Okay, this one is the shorter one. This is the roof. Okay, and they want to calculate the distance between both of the wall of the garage. Okay, so this is a wall. This is a wall. Okay, they want the distance between the wall. So second part, they're asking for this. Okay, second part, they're asking for this. So you have to understand the diagram and then understand the sentence. Okay, so how to find this? How to find this this length? Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, you have two angles and then you have one length. Okay, so you can use sine rule. Okay, two angle and one length. Sine rules. Okay, so this one you let it be y. Okay, this is opposite with 50. This is opposite with 30. So you use sine rules to get the y. Okay. So this is the answer for y. Okay, then after that, how to get this length? Okay, you already have, actually this angle also you can find because you have two angles. Okay, so you want to use sine rule, you want to use cosine rule also can. Okay, so you use sine rule, huh? Okay, so 50 and 30 is 80, 100 minus 80, so here is 100. They use cosine rule, huh? You want to use sine rule also can, huh? Okay, you can use sine rule and test whether you get the same answer or not. Okay, let's say this is the x, huh? Okay, so this is opposite. Okay, so you can use sine rule also for these questions. Okay, so they are using cosine rule. Okay, then this is the answer they have. Okay, now we go to part B. What is the area? Okay, they want the area, which will be painted by Mr. Tan. Okay, they want the area. They want the area of the triangle. Okay, so no, any two length and then one of the angle. Okay, use a half AB sin C because all the length and all the angles you already have the information. Okay, just use any two lengths and then the included angle. Okay, to find the area of the triangle. Okay, using the formula half AB sin C. Okay, you want to use a Heron formula also can because the three length also you have. Okay, so they are using here the angle 50. They are using the angle 50. So they have to use that two length that make the angle. So it's a 5.2 and then this length. Okay, this length is the 10.24. 5.2 and 10.24. This one. Okay, so 5.2, 10.24, and then sine 50. Okay, then you can find the area. Okay, you can use the Heron's formula to check the answer. Okay, so they use a Heron's formula to check the answer. Okay, now we come to this example. This is the three-dimensional. Okay, we want to go through this question slowly. Okay. Okay, this is a prism. Okay, and the sketch of the prism. Okay, prism are three dimensionals. Okay, the cross section of the prism is an equilateral triangle. Okay, here will be the cross section. Okay, of the prism. Okay, means you follow the cross section. If you cut this way, okay, every pieces you will get is the same shape. This is the meaning of cross section. Okay, don't say that the cross section is here. The cross section is here. No, okay, the cross section is this because you follow this shape and cut this way. Every pieces you are getting the same shape. That one is cross section. Okay, so the question saying that the cross section is an equilateral triangle side of a 6 centimeter. So here 6, here 6, and here 6. Equilateral. Okay, the height of the prism is 8 centimeter. So if here is the cross section, then here will be the height. So here is 8. Okay, calculate the angle between BD, CD. BD, 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 BD. Okay, BD is this line. CD is this line. Okay, so the angle between means they want to calculate this angle. Okay, so you transform this triangle outside here. Okay, we just concentrate on the B, C, and the D. Okay, we temporarily ignore the other point, the A, E, and the F. Okay, then transfer all the information that you have. Okay, so first they want to find this angle. Okay, you can label it. Okay, then what length that you can have is BC and the DE, they are the same. Okay, because this is a prism, right prism. Okay, so here 6, so here also is 6. Okay, and then this side, the BD and the CD. Okay, how to find the BD? Okay, BD is here. BD is here. Okay, DB. Okay, BD is here, you see? Okay, here is 6, here also is 6. Okay, and then this is a right angle. Okay, because this one is a standing how to say um, uh, vertically. Okay, this line is standing vertically, the height. Okay, the height and the cross section is always make 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree over here, so you have a right angle triangle. So here 6, here 8 lah, huh? Okay, so you find this, okay, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so the BD is 10. Okay, same as CD, huh? CD also, the other side also the same thing. Okay, also you have a 6 and the 8. Okay, so CD and the BD, okay, use the same method. Okay, you get is 10. Okay, so here 10, here 10. Okay, so now you have a 3 length. Want to find this angle. Okay, so use cos rule. Okay, so you use cos rule to find the angle. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, now we have a settle for part A. Okay, now we go to part B. Okay, the area of the BCD. Okay, same thing, huh? We still can use back this triangle BCD. Okay, still don't care about the A, E, and the F. Okay, so this area. Okay, same thing. You have a 3 length. You want to use a Heron's formula, can. You have this angle. You want to use this angle, and then with together with this 2 length also can. Okay, so they are using a half AB sin C lah, huh? Okay, 10, 10, and then the included angle 34.92. Okay, then you get the area. Okay, so you have settled part B also. Okay, now we come to this part C. Okay, this one if you want to copy, in your notes, this one you put a star for it, okay, if this type of questions asking come out, okay, wait for a while. I want to show you on PowerPoint. PowerPoint 33. Okay, the whole chapter, this is the old syllabus, whole chapter in the KBSN syllabus. I will not go through lah. Okay. Okay, look at this. Okay, you imagine you have like two pieces of paper. Okay, if the question asks you what is the angle in between the two plane, okay, means the two pieces of paper. Okay, so you have to know which angle they are asking. Okay, so angle between planes and planes. Okay, identify the angle between planes A, B, C, D and the plane B, C, E, F. Oh, wait, I let it play. Oh. Okay. So first of all, the blue color one A, B, C, D. Okay, then the red color one B, C, E, F. Okay, two plane. These two look like a rectangle. Okay, so if they say the angle between these two planes, where is the angle should be? Okay, you see the answer, Okay, when you open out, you got to imagine a little bit for this topic. Okay, when you open out, just now that two paper is like bend a bit, so you have an angle in between that two paper. Okay, now you got to imagine you open out that two paper. Okay, so when you open out, the line that when you draw, it cross both plane. Okay, you see the dotted green color. Okay, that line will form the angle. Okay, you see how okay, so you see the ABF. Okay, now they draw back to that two folded plan. Okay, and then the DCE also same thing. Okay, so you see the angle is here. This is the angle that, okay, in between that two plan. Okay, maybe you still cannot see well. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, we'll see more example. Okay, so the angle is angle DCE. Okay, and then also is angle ABF. Okay, either one. Okay, either one is the answer. Okay, so I go to the next one. You have a plan ABCD. Okay, rectangle. Okay, then you have the you have another plan, BCF. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, this triangle is, okay, when you open out, you see, okay, before you open out, they want you to imagine is this way. Okay, it's cut half of a rectangle original. Okay, therefore when you open out, okay, this is something that you see. Now if like follow just now that method, you want to draw a straight line that can cross both plane. You cannot draw it at the DC at that side already. Okay, because if you draw it DCF is not a straight line, it's two straight line. Okay, so the only choice that you can draw it is on the side of the ABF. Okay, can ah? Can ah? Okay, so DCF is not straight line, so the angle cannot fall at DCF. Okay, the angle has to be at the ABF. This is the meaning. ABF, FBA, same thing. Okay, so here is the angle. Okay, so for these two plane, okay, if they ask, okay, angle between. Okay, so this only one answer. Different from just now can have a two answer. Okay, so this is second example. I hope you are more clear now. Okay, let us try the third one. Okay, now we have a plan ABC triangle. Okay, another plan of a triangle BCD. Okay, they are very kind, they try to draw. Okay, this is a part of the rectangle. Another one also, okay, is a part of a rectangle, so that you easy for you to imagine. Okay, when they open up, okay, it will be this way. Okay, same thing, ACF will not form a straight line. Okay, it's two straight line. So the only side that will form a straight line is ABF. So you see, ACCF cannot. Okay, the one can form a straight line is ABF. Okay, this straight line must cross both plane. Okay, therefore your angle is at ABF. Okay, this is the third example. How about this? ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Okay, they have another label for the G and F is because afterwards they will need to need to make use of their midpoint. Okay, G as a midpoint of the AD, and then F is a midpoint of the BC. Okay, so this is a rectangle. Okay, and then another plan is a BCE. This is a triangle. Okay, this triangle, you're not mistaken, let us see. I think is the in the middle one. Okay, it's not the cutting at the one side of the rectangle, same like just now the second example. Okay, so this one when it open out, okay, you see, this is in the middle. The point E is in the middle of a rectangle. Okay, so when it open out, it's something like this. So if you have this kind of example, your at the side, the ABE also not a straight line, your DCE also not a straight line, then you got to depend on the midpoint of the AD and midpoint of the BC. So you need to involve the G and the F here. Okay, if in the diagram don't have, you kena sendiri, okay, at the midpoint. Okay, so your answer will be the GFE. Okay, only will be a straight line that can across the two plane. Okay, DCE double A, ABE also double A. Okay, GFE will be the answer. Okay, transfer the GFE into the three-dimensional. Here it is, and then the angle. So if the question asks the angle in between these two planes, you have to know which angle you want to find. Okay, so the answer is angle EFG. So Okay, do you all need me to repeat any of the diagram just now? Do I need to repeat any diagram? Okay, all sleeping ah. All sleeping means agree ah, I continue. Why angle must be straight line? Not to say the angle must be straight line, is when you unfold that two plane, okay, it must be a straight line. Okay, the how to say the theory behind it is very long. You just now you see the PowerPoint. Okay, this is about the what projection, you know, the orthogonal projection or that. If you want, I can send this PowerPoint into the WhatsApp group, then you all go through it. But I don't want to go through with you lah. Okay, too lengthy that one. Is that okay, Emily? Okay, so but you know the method how you get the angle in between two planes, that one you must be very sure. Okay, so now we go back to textbook. Okay, now we come to part C. Okay, you see the angle between the plane BCD and the vertical plane BCEF. They didn't tell you which angle. So you got to use the knowledge just now I teach you, okay, to identify which angle first before you calculate the angle. Okay, so let us see BCD. BCD is this one, BCD. Okay, the slanting one. This plane is inside the prism. You got to imagine. Okay, and then this one, remember, the cross section is a equilateral triangle. Imagine already. Okay, and then the vertical plane BCEF is here. Wait, where's my pen? Oh, okay, sorry. Like BCEF. Okay, BCEF is here. The vertical plane. This one standing up one. Okay, and then this one slanting a little bit, BCE. Okay, so you see or not? Here and here. When you open up, I try to draw. Okay, I open up. This is E and this is F. This is C and this is B. Okay, B and C is also the side of the triangle, and then here will be this way. Midpoint. Midpoint, because this is how to say, equilateral triangle. Okay, this way. Okay, so this is D. Okay, this one will be the last, just now, the last example. Okay, so when you draw a straight line, that you will cross that two plane will be this straight line only. Okay, you cannot use a ECD, you can use a FBD. Okay, so you have to create a midpoint and create a midpoint. Okay, let me see the answer here. Okay, EF, they create a midpoint here is H, then BC is a G. Okay, therefore your angle is DGH. Okay, DG is here and then H. Okay, so you try to draw. Okay, now I erase this. Okay, G is here and then H is here. Okay, you got to draw this triangle. Okay, the angle is at here, G. Okay, the middle point. DGH, the angle is at G, the middle point. Okay, so now you need to just extract out this triangle DGH. Okay, so can you see here you making 90 degree? Okay, because this is DFE, this triangle is, how to say, horizontal, and then this EFDBC, this rectangle is vertical. Therefore, this line and this line will make a 90 degree. Okay. I think the answer also they give the same thing. 90 degree. Okay, so I want just extract out this. Okay, so the D is here, the H is here, and the G is here. Okay, here is the 90 degree. Okay, and then this is the angle that I want to find. Wait for a while. 下雨，下雨，下雨，是看下雨什么要收吗？ Okay, sorry, raining. Okay, then you see what information that you have. Okay, HG, this is the height of the prism. Height of the prism is 8. Here is 8. Okay, and then this is the angle that you want to find. You can label it as a theta. Okay, then DH, I think you are able to find. DG you want to find also can, because just now you have this triangle. Okay, but here the answer they are finding DH. Okay, how to find DH? Okay, come back to this triangle. Okay, so here is another right angle triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. So this is 6. Here is 6 divided by 2, so it's 3. Okay, so use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 6 square minus 3 square, and then square root. So you get the DH. Okay, 5.1962. Okay, 5.1962. Sorry, DH. Okay, next they're using tangent. Okay, because this is opposite. Okay, with this angle that you want to find, and then this is adjacent. Okay, this is hypotenuse. Okay, so O over A you're using tangent. Okay, so O is 5.1962 divided by 8. Okay, and then shift tangent to get the answer for the angle. Okay, so this is why I say that, you know, the three-dimensional questions sometimes is not easy. Okay. Okay, so that's all. So this one will be your homework today. Okay, so just now you have 2 questions. Here you have 3 questions. So altogether 5 questions. I don't know how easy or how difficult it is. Okay, I didn't go through. Okay, but you try first. Okay, if any question, then we will discuss during the next lesson. Okay, so that's all for this, you know, our chapter 9. Okay, so this one you don't do yet. Okay, so 5 questions today. Okay, so means next, I don't know whether I should start the new topic, maybe not, because after that you will have holiday. I couldn't finish the next topic in one lesson. Okay, so next lesson, maybe if I marks your PPD already, we will discuss. Okay, and then any question from here, we also can discuss. Okay, so I will start the new topic index number, which is the last topic of your Form 4 syllabus after the school holiday. Okay, today quite early, okay, never mind. Okay, so you can go off early. Okay, teacher, do we need to state the G is a midpoint? Need to draw the diagram out? The diagram actually is helping you. The diagram, they will not give mark, but the diagram is helping you to get the answer. Okay, so but if you know, you just mentioned G in your working, but you didn't show it where is the G, and then it end out with you didn't get a correct answer at the end, but then the step in between the examiner how to give you the marks, So it's better for you to show the diagram, okay, and then show where is the G that you label in the diagram. Do we need to say let G be the midpoint? Okay, you can either say in words, in not, you can just label this way. The G, where is the G? Okay, you can label this way. Okay, double line, double line. Okay, so it will show the G is the midpoint of this. You want to say in words also can. For the point H, the same thing. You can make here one line. Okay, here, then here double line. Okay, but here double line also the same meaning. Okay, because this triangle and this triangle is the same. Okay, they are the cross section, they are the equilateral. So Emmeline, have I answered your questions? Okay, okay, if nothing ready, okay, you can leave now. Okay, thank you, girls. Hey, wait for what? I didn't take attendance yet. Wait.